Hey guys, this is Brian of Black Star Reptiles. Today we're gonna do an egg cutting. It's my 6th clutch, Mojave Monsoon to a normal het clown. So I'm excited about this clutch. It's not a crazy clutch, but I'm excited about it because we can get het Monsoon and het clown in one snake. And that's one of the goals I'm headed for, is to get a Monsoon clown and then working pied and exentic into it. So today it's one of the stepping stones to get clown into my Monsoons. So let's go ahead, pull them out. Got ones that'll head out. So basically the visual part of this is only gonna be Monsoon. So we get normals and Monsoons, and it'll be about 50% visuals and Monsoons. So let's go ahead and cut this one because he's already cut up his egg. So looking for Monsoon or Mojaves, I mean, that's the visual. Everything else will be normal. Should be 50-50. The hard statistic is to get Monsoon and clown in one go. So the first one looks like it is a normal. So it's normal, got the normal alien heads. So this is gonna be a normal. Let's cut it off her head. There, so we can get her head back in. So this is a normal, possible het, clown, and Monsoon. So, okay, let's go with the next one. So like I said, visually it's not a crazy exciting clutch. You only get a possibility of a normal and a Monsoon, but it's the hets that... It looks like that's a Monsoon. Or not a Monsoon, I keep saying Monsoon. That's a Mojave. So we got one Mojave and one... I love the belly pattern. Little belly pattern on the Monsoons. Or the Mojaves, really pretty. All right, let's go to the next one. So basically the excitement in this clutch will come when I do genetic testing. So when I genetic test them, I'm hoping for clown and Monsoon. And once they, oh, there's a Mojave. So that one must not be a no, that was not a Mojave. So I got 2 normals, 1 Mojave. Mojave's a lot lighter on the belly. Dark top, light belly. So that there. So to keep our odds going, let's do the small egg. And I've got, it's kind of weird in this clutch, I've got some dark eggs. I don't think it's anything wrong with them, they're just dark eggs. So in this case, there's another Mojave. So that's definitely, or not, yeah, Mojave. I keep saying Mojave. That's, so we're 50 normals, 50 Mojave. So it's exactly where we should be. Clean this up real fast. Get another napkin. Let's do this one. So we're exactly 50 for 50. 50%. This egg is really tight. Yeah. Just like exploded. Usually they soften up a little bit when they are getting ready to hatch. So that looks like it's a normal. So that's a normal. Normal for that one. Let's put this one off to the side here. So I'm hoping for more Mojaves than the normals, but it looks like we got, it looks like another normal to me. we've got 4 normals. So in reality, this one, let's clean this up again. Holy cow. Make a mess. Let's clean this up. So I have 7 eggs, so in reality I should get 3 of something and 4 of the other if odds are with me. Some of these eggs were really full. And there's a Mojave. So right with the odds, we got 3 Mojaves and 4 normals. So I was hoping that the odds went with the Mojaves, but it went with the normals. So yeah, we got those 3 are Mojaves, these 4 are normals. So now I'm looking to genetic test them, and I'm going to look for any snake that has clown and het monsoon, or het monsoon and het clown both. And we'll, any females, I need a female, we'll keep them around and we can breed them back in and produce monsoon clowns. And most likely I'll keep a Mojave. So we're gonna produce some pretty cool snakes. There you are, he's coming out. So anyway, we'll do an update when these guys come out of the eggs, and you guys can check those out. Like I said, not a huge clutch, but it's a big step in my monsoon collection. So like, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later.